Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to open a coconut. First time I tried this, I nearly cut my finger off, so be careful. Okay, how's this? Ready? Start with this side here. Not that side. You could, but I find it easier on this side. You basically just make cuts in it, and then you do something like this. And, right. First one, you don't do that because you need space. Second one, then you kind of go. And just keep going around like that. This is the first hole, and you can come back and do that. Right in there. Okay. Just get that little bang there, like that. Loosen that a little bit. Helps to do it this way. There you go. Then, not the side with the face on it, this side. I just kind of This is a really good one. Sweet, rich coconut flavor. Don't you wish you were me? I know I do.